and I'm about to weld my muffler back on because it's just so loud.
First step, take off the tire. Throw hubcap. Next step, lay down. So we got this adapter, and it basically fit on where I cut it from the muffler side, and I'm going to slide it in on the longer part that has the flange on it. Now I'm just hitting it in the hammer. So yeah, test fit. Time to weld. So I'm driving, I'm a little crazy, but that's okay, because my car is quieter. It's definitely noticeable. There's no leaks or anything, but it's quieter. There's still a lot of noise like up front, and I'm on a bumpy road. There's still a lot of noise like under the dash, it sounds like, so I'll have to look at that, but overall this was a successful weld, I think. Tell me how I did.